What's your idea of AI, artificial intelligence?
2 years down the line, you would not be doing anything which does not have AI,
Yes.
for sure.
Yeah.
And if you do not adapt to it, you've lost the game.
Cold calling or digital leads?
Neither.
Neither.
Cold calling helps, but no, neither.
One marketing trend that's overhyped.
I just spoke about it. Real estate influencers, which people are, vying upon right now. It's not so easy.
One piece of advice for the new, maybe youngsters who are, pioneering into real estate.
ऐसा नहीं है कि रियल एस्टेट में घुसेंगे तो डे वन से पैसा बरसने लगेगा. डोंट कम बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में घुसेंगे, टाइम लगता है, कंसिस्टेंसी लगती है, लर्निंग लगती है, नॉलेज लगती है, पेशेंस लगती है.
And how do you balance short-term, sales targets with the long-term brand credibility?
अगर मार्केट अच्छी है तो आपकी सेल्स को कोई रोक नहीं सकता. आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, उसको आपको सेल्स से आप रोक नहीं सकते. आपकी कंपनी की क्रेडिबिलिटी अच्छी है, आपने अपने कमिटमेंट्स पूरे किए हैं, आपकी सेल्स रुक ही नहीं सकती.
Good afternoon, Namaskar. Welcome to Nare Power Voices, a platform where we bring you real conversations with the leaders shaping the future of the real estate industry. Today we have a seasoned professional, Mr. Kunal Behrani, COO, Unity Group, and he's played a key role in driving sales momentum across industries, right from building strong brands, navigating evolving dynamic markets, elevators to luxury cars and to amazing infrastructures. It's a true honor to have you here, sir, to Nare Power Voices. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Reena. It is a pleasure to be out here, and
Lovely.
all power to Narap.
Thank you so much. So, to start with, what initially attracted you towards real estate industry, and rather, I would say, focusing more on sales and marketing as your core forte.
So I've been a sales guy throughout. I started my career way back in 2001.
All
I
right.
was selling mobile phones. I was selling just about everything which came my way. I've sold plastic granules. I've sold mobile phones, like I said, software process improvement.
Yes.
Then I've sold, UPS जो होते हैं आपके.
हाँ जी.
So मैंने online UPS बेचे हैं.
Hmm.
After that, I entered the elevator industry. I was selling elevators and escalators. Post which I joined Audi and I was selling cars for them.
Right.
So while I was selling cars, I sold a car to a gentleman, and today one of the biggest developers in Gurgaon.
Yes.
And I sold a car to him, and that's where my real estate journey began. After 3 years of selling a car to him, he asked me to come over and join him, and joined real estate in 2010. So this is how the real estate journey happened. Sales and marketing. I'll be very honest with you. I was never, one of those scholars which you have in school. So I was possibly a backbencher, but वो कहता ना कि लास्ट मिनट में पढ़ाई करके पास होते थे. तो 2 दिन पहले पढ़ना और पास होना, ये पता होता था कि पास कैसे होना है. और
That's being smart.
I okay, whatever you might call it, but at the end of the day, ये पता था कि पासिंग मार्क्स कहाँ से आने और कितने आने चाहिए
हाँ जी.
और किस में हमें एक्सेल करना चाहिए. I was always good at mathematics, so which is what helped me in converting sales better.
Yes.
And otherwise, I connect with people really fast, which is what I learned after I joined my first real sales, role, which was in 2004, when I was selling elevators and escalators. So that's where the passion for sales started. Marketing happened gradually, I would say. By about 2013, 14, I started doing the marketing aspect of the business. So, so this is how it evolved. And currently, to looking at just about everything otherwise as well: strategy, operations, projects, execution, just about all those elements as well.
Great. Lovely to hear that.
Yeah.
And which early experiences, in your career shaped up as a leader or a seasoned professional what you are today?
So, my very first instance when it happened, I had a boss whom I asked कि मुझे कोई inquiry दीजिए. I want to, go and sell now. I've learned the product.
जी.
This is way back in 2004. This is nothing to do with real estate.
estate,
But and he told me कि कुणाल inquiry तो नहीं है. तो मैंने बोला जी इंक्वायरी नहीं है तो मैं बेचूंगा किसको?
हाँ जी।
मुझे बेचना तो है, लेकिन मैं
राइट।
बेचूंगा किसको? He told me to go to the market, do my own research, get my own customer base, go door to door if required, and sell elevators. Now you'll feel it's very different कि आप door to door जाके elevators कैसे बेचोगे? आप नहीं बेच सकते हो.
Yes.
So my job was to start off and look at any kind of building which was getting made, commercial, residential, immaterial. Go and talk to the chowkidar out there. Get the numbers of the architect, get the number of the builder, get the number of the landlord, speak to them, pitch a product to them, and eventually make a sale. So when I started doing this, after 6 months of doing something like this, I had a huge funnel by myself. So I'm still not scared of going to the market by myself and selling a product, because that's when you come to know what the actual customer wants.
And the ground reality.
You know the ground realities, actual ground realities.
That's
So
amazing.
this is something which shaped me
Yes.
early on.
Right.
So I'm not scared of, entering a new territory. I've worked in Noida, I've worked in Delhi, I've worked in Gurgaon.
Great.
So not scared of entering new roles. So sales, marketing, projects, execution, strategy, new
Great,
industries.
great. That's truly inspiring. And over a period of time and in multiple industries you have worked in, was there a mentor or a leader, who really inspired you or, who gave you, some learnings, lessons, and maybe helped you again shape up the way you are today?
Every stage, every stage. So I've been fortunate in having some of the best leaders and some of the best mentors with me. Uh, Early on, when I was, and I'll possibly not name them, but I'll definitely tell you what happened. My first instance where I was selling software process improvement. I was selling this in Calcutta.
Ji.
My office was based out of Delhi, and this mentor of mine was wanting me to come up with a presentation, a business presentation or business case.
Ji.
And I took a 30-page presentation to him, and he just threw it on my face. Next time I took a 10-page presentation, once again threw it on my face. The last time I took a one-page presentation, one pager, and he
Accepted.
said, accepted, which means I've done my work thoroughly. So he actually inspired me to work precisely and work on a very, very tight budget.
To the point.
To the point. Second, as I just told you, create your own sales funnel. He is the best mentor that I've had. I always go back to him every now and then. He is right now, heading an elevator company in India. So once again, I'm not naming him, but yeah, he is one of the best, mentors that you could have. Then in automobile sales, that's somebody who taught me what luxury is all about. Okay, if you have a pen, if you have a Mobileye, you don't put it out here, you put it inside. You don't show your, assets like this. So simple things. उसने वो सिखाया मुझे. When I entered real estate, and real estate मैं नाम में ले सकता हूँ. So I had the privilege of working with Mr. Achal Raina. I had the privilege of working with Mr. Brijesh Bhanot, then Tarun Mehrotra ji. So one of the best mentors that you could have. Of course, the promoters that you work for, maybe mentors, maybe not.
Yes.
But these are one of the best mentors that you could have.
Yeah.
And he taught me a very simple thing that you don't sell, people buy. So if you push hard, you won't be able to sell in real estate. Yeah. So I've had mentors like this, and I've had some unfortunate incidences where I took up some roles which were not the best roles possible. But eventually, I ended up learning a lot from that, because I had to possibly leave that organization and work on my own, which I think were one of the best experiences that I've ever had.
Right.
So, which is what, teaches you to start afresh anywhere, anytime.
Anytime, right. And possibly, I think all the people who come in our life. So, and I think we learn from everyone and from everywhere and from all the, I think, experiences, because it teaches you sometimes what to be and what not to be.
Yeah. So
Right?
you either
So,
win or you
yeah,
learn.
you learn. Yes, very
You
true.
don't lose.
True.
There's nothing to lose.
True.
As long as you don't, as long as you have the ability to come back on your feet again.
Stronger.
That's it.
And then you come
And stronger.
stronger.
You come
Yeah.
stronger.
Yes, right. I agree. And in continuation to this, what leadership traits or skills, you expect from today's, and I would say in real estate, technically, what do you foresee or what do you see that, um, a true leader should have, to lead or to build, a team in real estate?
Okay, so first thing first, I think a true leader is not shy of, working on the things by himself or herself, for
Very
that matter.
true. Agreed.
Take the things head on.
Yes.
There's no,
Ownership.
yeah, ownership. Secondly, it's your team which has worked. If they don't perform,
Yeah.
it's your mistake.
Yeah.
If they perform, it's a team which has performed.
Very true.
So if you stand by that, your team stands with you. If your team stands with you, you can't lose.
Very
You
true.
just can't lose.
I agree.
Secondly, I've always believed in the fact that if you know something, teach it to your juniors, to your subordinates, to your colleagues, which is what makes them grow bigger, which is what makes them take your own shoes. Okay, so they can take my seat, so that I can be elevated.
Absolutely. I agree.
If
Yeah.
if you don't teach something to your juniors or your subordinates, there's no way that you can elevate yourself.
True.
And you learn every day. So
learn every
when you come to office, you have to see that you are learning something new. It could be anything for that
Anything.
matter.
Yes.
It is immaterial what you learn, but you should be learning every day.
Very true. Very true. Very true. And how do you balance short-term, sales targets with the long-term brand credibility, to say so?
Okay, so there's nothing as such which is called as a short-term, sales target in real estate per
Yeah.
se. Because if you once again, if you start pushing in sales in real estate, it won't happen. अगर मार्केट अच्छी है तो आपकी सेल्स को कोई रोक नहीं सकता. आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, उसको आपको सेल्स से आप रोक नहीं सकते. आपकी कंपनी की क्रेडिबिलिटी अच्छी है, आपने अपने कमिटमेंट्स पूरे किए हैं, आपकी सेल्स रुक ही नहीं सकती. लेकिन अगर आपने उस मार्केट की क्रेडिबिलिटी को खराब किया है बाय योर ओन वर्च्यूज, तो आप जितना मर्जी स्कीम लगा लीजिए, आप जो मर्जी कर लीजिए, आप रियल एस्टेट में बेच नहीं सकते. आप
Survival becomes
किसी
very,
को
very
चूना
tough.
जरूर लगा सकते हैं, बेच नहीं सकते हैं. बेचने के लिए इतना फैक्ट जरूर होना चाहिए कि आपने अगर कुछ बेचा है तो यू शुड हैव द गट्स टू स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर कस्टमर व्हेन यू आर डिलीवरिंग द प्रोडक्ट एज वेल.
Absolutely.
So if you've sold the product and delivered it, that is what shows in your eyes कि बॉस जो बेचा था उससे बेहतर प्रोडक्ट आपको दिया है,
डिलीवर किया, जो कमिट किया है,
जो
उससे
commit किया
बेटर
था उससे बेटर
deliver
आपको दिया है.
जी जी जी.
क्योंकि 99% of the sales professionals today have not seen how possession
Possession
happens.
happens. Very true.
बेचते हैं और आगे बढ़ जाते हैं.
Very true.
तो
I agree.
बेचने के बाद उसको डिलीवर करके देखो, फिर समझ में आएगा रियल एस्टेट क्या होता है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. Completely agree. True true.
तो
true.
शॉर्ट टर्म सेल्स स्ट्रेटजी कुछ नहीं
नहीं
होती.
होती. Yes. And what are the major, shifts you see currently in, buyers' temperament, their behavior, their buying, traits or psychology over these years?
See, real estate, especially residential real estate, let me put it this
Hanji.
way,
Yes.
has always been impulsive buy.
हाँ.
Always an impulsive
Yeah.
buy. मैं गया, मेरे पास कोई चीज़ पसंद आई. Okay, I might not have all the funds for it, but I know that I can manage those funds the next 3 to 4 years. I'll go and buy that product. Okay, I have bought it. I'm sure many of our viewers have bought it. I'm sure many of you sold it. As sales professional, we have sold a product like that.
Hanji.
कि सुबह कोई कस्टमर आया था और उसको समझ में आया, उसने खरीद लिया, और किसी के पीछे हम साल भर से लगे पड़े, उसने नहीं खरीदा. However, today what is happening is the shift which is happening. Today a lot of influencers have come in. Okay, I won't say influencers are bad, but at the same time, if the influencers do not have the real estate knowledge per se,
Absolutely.
and they do not respect real estate as a profession, real estate is where all the money eventually comes in. आप कहीं कुछ लेते हैं, आप कुछ स्पेंड करके आते हैं. मैं एग्जाम्पल की बात करता हूँ. कि आपका क्लोथ्स का बिजनेस है, आपका शूज़ का बिजनेस है, आपका ज्वेलरी का बिजनेस है, आपका फर्नीचर का बिजनेस है, आपका किसी भी चीज़ का बिजनेस है। अगर मैं आपको कोई चीज़ देता हूँ, आप सिर्फ जाके 3 जगह पैसे खर्च रहे हैं। पहली चीज़, आप जाके कोई ना कोई एसेट खरीद रहे हैं, जो एक रियल एस्टेट एसेट है, या अपनी शादी में पैसे खर्च रहे हैं, या अपने ज्वेलरी खरीद रहे हैं, ठीक है ना? एक फिजिकल गोल्ड खरीद रहे हैं, या
या
ईटीएफ खरीद रहे हैं, या स्टॉक्स खरीद रहे हैं।
जी
अगर आप स्टॉक्स भी खरीद रहे हैं, इवेंचुअली वो इंसान भी जाके किसी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है, और वो जिस कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है उसने भी रियल एस्टेट में इन्वेस्ट कर रखा है। सो सब कुछ घूम फिर के आना यही है।
somewhere it's connecting the dots there.
So this is serious business.
Hmm.
This is not your golgappa which you're selling.
Hmm.
So if you want to do influencing in real estate, first learn the facts about real estate.
Very true.
Understand them.
Yeah.
Understand the cycle about real estate. साइक्लिक चीज है।
Right.
हर चीज कोविड के बाद के जैसे बढ़ती नहीं रहती है, नीचे भी
नीचे भी
आती
आती
है।
है बिल्कुल true.
सो पूरी साइकिल नहीं देखी है तो पहले उसे समझ लो
जी
कि वो चीज है क्या, एसेट क्या है। ठीक है, चिल्लाने से नहीं होगा, पहले उसे सीखो, समझो, उसके बाद इन्फ्लुएंसिंग करो, उसके बाद आप रियल एस्टेट इन्फ्लुएंसर बनो, which is what is, I think, fact which is happening, but it should happen more responsibly.
That's why countries like US, I'm sure you are more aware than me that you cannot just enter, you cannot become a so-called realtor
Yes.
unless and until you have a degree or a diploma or a course
And
to
true.
to be in real estate.
आप बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन अगर आप किसी से इतना पूछ लेंगे कि इस बिल्डिंग की हाइट कितनी है, ठीक है, तो वो आपको कहेगा शायद से कुछ किलोमीटर्स में होगी। उसको पता ही नहीं है कि हाइट नापते कैसे हैं, उसको ये नहीं पता है कि एक मीटर कितना होता है, एक स्क्वायर फुट कितना होता है, सुपर एरिया किसे कहते हैं, कार्पेट एरिया किसे कहते हैं,
Very true.
ठीक है, नहीं पता, सिर्फ
Unfortunate. That's unfortunate.
So you should know about these things, and this is something which is definitely required. अब इसके बाद ये सीखिए, फिर जरूर आप आइए और बेचिए, कौन मना करता है।
Yeah.
एक्सपीरियंस भी चाहिए, रिलेशनशिप भी चाहिए, and of course knowledge चाहिए, and then you do real estate influencing.
True.
That is when people will start actually listening to what you say.
Listening to you, respecting you, and believing in that brand's credibility too.
आज तेजी है तो सुन रहे हैं, मंदी होगी तो नहीं सुनेंगे।
Absolutely. Yeah, that's true. And what's your idea of AI, artificial intelligence? Technology, of course, has been inculcated into real estate. I won't say completely yet, but what's your idea, or how do you see AI influencing real estate, and I don't know, positively or negatively? That's what we want to hear from you. What's your take on it?
Very, very positive.
Mm.
Very, very positive. 2 years down the line, you would not be doing anything which does not have AI,
Yes.
for sure.
Yeah.
And if you do not adapt to it, you've lost the game.
Hmm.
So this is one thing which is definitely there. Data analytics,
Data
very
analytics,
important
yes.
again.
Yeah.
It helps you and makes you take decisions which are better for your organization, and lets you do everything correctly in the first go. You don't have a chance to, do some mistakes now. You can do mistakes, of course, if you work.
Human. It's human.
It's human.
It's human.
But at the same time, the lesser mistakes you make, the better for you. And this is where the data analytics come in. So this is where your, so cloning comes in, or for that matter, your digital twin comes in. When you're making a building, there's a digital twin that you do in the software today, which would help you shape up the building better.
Yes.
Yeah.
True. And what are those couple of traits you would like to talk about yourself, which has kept you grounded and which has kept you going, strongly in multiple, verticals you have worked in?
Honesty. Be honest to your customers. Be absolutely honest, truthful to your customers. अगर आपको लगता है ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, तो बोलिए कस्टमर को ये प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है। अगर आपको लगता है ये प्रोडक्ट मीडियोकर है, तो उसे एडवाइस कीजिए। उसे सिर्फ बेचने के लिए बेचेंगे तो आप शायद 6 महीने निकाल जाएंगे, साल भर भी शायद निकाल सकते हैं, उसके बियॉन्ड आप नहीं निकाल पाएंगे। सो एडवाइज योर कस्टमर एज टू व्हाट he or she should be buying. And that's when you actually make a relationship with that customer.
Yeah.
एंड अगर आप उस कस्टमर के पास 4 साल बाद जाके उसकी नज़रों में नज़रें मिला के उससे बात कर सकते हैं, तब
That's
आपने
when
एक्चुअल
you've
सेल
done your
करी है।
part.
दैट्स व्हेन यू डन योर पार्ट।
Right.
5 मिनट को तो आपने किसी को कुछ भी बेच जाएंगे, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
I remember long ages back when I did my MBA. So we, of course, we've read Kotler
Yeah.
because he's the guru of
Yeah.
marketing. Or I think उसमें ये था that a happy customer might just talk about his experience to one or two, but a disappointed customer will talk to 10
Yeah.
or hundreds. And I think that's a theory which is forever, which won't
So
change.
it won't change.
It won't change.
So I sold elevators to the company where I'm working right now.
Lovely.
So this was way back in 2004.
Yes.
So
True.
they called me to work for them in 2014. And once again, they called me to work for them in 2020.
And
Or rather,
then
2023. So
and then your real estate journey also started the same way we were discussing
yes,
before also.
yes.
Yeah. Lovely, lovely. And now talking about Narep. So, what excited you to join Narep and what do you foresee or, what are your views on Narep, how it will shape up, the
See, it's very difficult to get good talent together. And it's very difficult to get professionals who are not just talented but also are loyal to an organization
very
and
true.
come through a referral if possible. मिलते नहीं हैं, आप ढूंढने जाते हैं तो आपके पास कुछ अलग ही स्टोरीज निकल के आती हैं बाद में.
That perfect blend is missing,
The perfect blend is
blend is
missing.
missing. Ji.
So when you hire somebody, you hire them for you. Of course, you don't hire them for life, but you want to hire them for at least in a period of 5 to 10 years, which is not happening at the moment.
No, it's not.
Okay, so आपको 1 साल से 2 साल के बाद people start looking at different
For different reasons.
different reasons.
हाँ.
अब कोई इशू नहीं है कि आप 2 साल के बाद नौकरी ढूंढ रहे हैं, पर एट द सेम टाइम एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की तरफ से आप देखेंगे तो 2 साल तो आपको लग जाता, 1 साल तो आपको लगता है प्रोडक्ट समझने में. आपको प्रोडक्ट समझ के उसको एक कनेक्ट बनाने में 1 साल लगता है. अगर आप पहले दिन से बेच रहे हैं, आपको लगता है कि आप पहले दिन से रियल एस्टेट ज्वाइन करने के बाद बेच सकते हैं, तो फिर आप रियल एस्टेट नहीं बेच रहे हैं, आप पंखे बेच रहे हैं. आप पंखे बेच लीजिए, ठीक है ना. आपको पंखे बेचना है, पंखे बेच लीजिए. आपको बत्तियां बेचनी है, बत्तियां बेच लीजिए. आपको कुछ और बेचना, तकिया चादर बेचना है, बेच लीजिए. बट दैट्स नॉट द वे रियल एस्टेट इज सोल्ड. यू नॉट अंडरस्टूड द प्रोडक्ट. Please understand the product. Please, imbibe by it. If possible, if you can invest into that. And then you would know कि इसमें जाता क्या है पीछे. So NAREP as an organization आपको सबको इकट्ठा लेके आती है. And there are mentors in this industry who've shaped my career. Like for that matter, Vipin sir, who's there with NAREP, who's started NAREP as such. And I worked with him. I worked under him and learned a lot from him. For that matter, somebody who taught me real estate for the first time in my first organization, first real estate organization. So Bhaswar, he taught me real estate, and I don't shy away from saying that he taught me real estate. So कोई भी एलिमेंट, कोई भी इंसान आपको वो बहुत कुछ सिखाता है.
बिल्कुल.
और वो सब के सब इसके साथ जुड़ते हैं. These synergies not just make 1 plus 1 equals 2, it becomes 11 sometimes. So, which is what we're all looking forward to.
Thank you. Thank you. So we'll add a fun element to it. We'll try to wrap up with a fun rapid fire. We call it as a signature Narep rapid fire.
Yeah.
So without thinking, whatever just comes to your mind, please just shoot. So one word to describe today's real estate buyer.
Smart,
Okay.
research oriented,
Such oriented.
and takes his decision very fast. Cannot be fooled.
Well read. They're well read too.
Yeah, they're well read.
Today are well
Yeah.
read. Cold calling or digital leads?
Neither.
Neither.
Cold calling helps, but no, neither. I would make my own sales funnel. I would, start talking about real estate to people myself and reach out to the correct markets through social media or otherwise, or through physical meets rather than going by the digital leads. Digital leads these days come in, but it's a you have to find that needle in the haystack. It's very difficult to find a good lead.
True. Yeah.
Unfortunately, the leads go to every place.
Site visit or a virtual walkthrough?
100% site visit.
I agree. Most overused sales line in a real estate industry?
ये प्रोडक्ट वापस नहीं आएगा.
All right.
अभी 2 महीने बाद मैं ही लेके आऊंगा.
All right. Very, that's brutal, but brutally honest, I would say. CRM or WhatsApp?
A combination of both, but yeah,
Combination.
WhatsApp today.
Yeah.
I've not seen people missing on their
Yes.
on their WhatsApp messages, but yeah.
Yeah. Branding budget or channel partner network?
70 to 80% channel partner network with branding of about 20 to 30%.
A sales myth you strongly disagree with?
If you push sales, it'll happen,
Yeah.
especially in real estate.
Yes.
They won't happen.
Yeah. One marketing trend that's overhyped.
I just spoke about it. Real estate influencers, which people are, vying upon right now. It's not so easy. There are very few good real estate influencers. Rather, you can count them on your hands. It's count them on your fingers.
I know.
It's very, very, very few.
And I personally feel that, like maybe,
और शायद उनको भी इतना रियल एस्टेट नहीं मालूम.
nahi, I think in fact a team lead or a sales head who's
Yeah.
been in this for good years
Yeah.
can be a better influencer,
Any day.
Any day, right?
Any
You
day.
agree, right?
Any day.
Yeah.
Any
Yeah,
day.
Yeah. Coffee meeting or a site tour?
A site meeting followed by a
By
coffee meeting.
Lovely. Late night strategies or early morning, meetings?
Early morning meetings are the best.
Okay.
Early morning meetings are the best.
Cool.
शाम को सिर्फ पार्टी होती है.
One thing customers wish that sales team would have done better.
पोस्ट सेल्स डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के बारे में बताना.
Very true.
जर्नी के बारे में सच बोलना. अगर प्रोडक्ट को 3 साल की जगह पे 4 साल लग रहे हैं तो बी ऑनेस्ट टू योर कस्टमर. इफ यू डू दैट, द कस्टमर स्टैंड्स बाय यू. द कस्टमर ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड्स कि आपकी ये मजबूरी है. दिल्ली में एनसीआर में ग्रैप लगता है, ये एक सच है.
Right.
इसको आप अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते.
And that is beyond anybody's
Beyond your
control.
control.
Yes.
तो ग्रैप लगता है, उसके लिए काम रुकता है.
NGT, Grab.
NGT
Yeah.
है, ग्रैप लगता
Yes.
है.
Yes. Very
जरूरी
true.
है.
Very true. Rather than
पता
last
चाहिए.
moment आप उनको ये सब
भागिए मत उस
चीजें
चीज
बता
से.
रहे हो. बिल्कुल.
अपनी तकलीफ पहले से बता दो कस्टमर को, वो भागेगा नहीं आपसे.
Because he's already prepared and he
He's already
starts
prepared.
trusting you that,
He
I
starts
was
following.
being advised about this. Very
So
true.
if he knows,
Very true.
then he won't shout at you.
Very true. And I also see, I am not a salesperson myself. I have been a pure training person. So I train and I or my team, we talk about the facts which are, true.
True.
So we don't sell Taj Mahal को हम Eiffel Tower बना के नहीं बेचते. If it's Taj Mahal, it will automatically sell because of its credibility, because of the brand. You don't have
बहुत
to.
स्ट्रेंज एक चीज होती है रियल एस्टेट में खासकर कि लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि वो जो बेच रहे हैं सामान, वो सामान क्या है.
USPs क्या है उसकी?
USPs तो चलो पता होती है, बिकॉज उसको तो मैं
हाँ,
देख के पढ़ लेता
उतार
हूँ,
के,
उसको मैं रट्टा मार लेता हूँ.
रट्टा मार लेते हैं. True.
लेकिन उसका मतलब क्या है पता नहीं है. छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. माई वन शटरिंग.
Shuttering, yeah.
अब हम जी माई वन से बिल्डिंग बना रहे हैं. माई वन इज अ कंपनीज नेम.
Yeah.
इट्स एल्यूमिनियम फॉर्मवर्क.
Oh, yeah.
एल्यूमिनियम फॉर्मवर्क समझाओ. माई वन तो कंपनी का नाम है. हो सकता है माई वन यूज ही ना कर रहे हो.
बिल्कुल.
जरूरी थोड़ी है कि मैं कोक ही पी रहा हूँ. हो सकता है मैं पेप्सी पी रहा हूँ.
Pepsi.
हो सकता है मैं कैंपा पी रहा हूँ. सो प्लीज डोंट से कि माई वन है. माई वन इज अ कंपनीज नेम.
Talk about the technology
Talk about
behind
the technology
it,
behind
the
it.
science behind it.
करता क्या है वो,
Yes.
और उससे फायदा
How
क्या
it
है.
makes life easy and
हाँ.
fast,
Yes. So
smooth and
I
whatever.
can
Yes.
I can construct a building without using my one in the exact same manner, and उससे शायद ज्यादा अच्छी बिल्डिंग बना सकता हूँ, लेकिन वो स्लो बनेगी. माई वन शटरिंग मुझे वो फास्ट
Fast
बनाने
बना
का,
के देगी.
या एल्यूमिनियम फॉर्मवर्क मुझे वो फास्ट बनाने का अपॉर्चुनिटी देती है.
Excellent example.
सो पहले उसको समझो कि वो होता क्या है.
बिल्कुल.
हर एलिमेंट को समझो रियल एस्टेट के. जो बिल्डिंग बनती है उसको समझो तो सही।
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
बेच तो वही रहे हो, स्कीम थोड़ी बेच रहे हो।
Very true. Thank you. Yes, that's an excellent example you've quoted. So finally, one piece of advice for the new, maybe youngsters who are, pioneering into real estate, first timers, freshers, or people for whom real estate is new. What's your piece of advice from your expertise and your journey so far?
सो दो चीज़ें, एक कॉशनरी नोट व्हिच इज़ ऐसा नहीं है कि रियल एस्टेट में घुसेंगे तो डे वन से पैसा बरसने लगेगा।
Hmm.
डोंट कम बिकॉज़ ऑफ दैट। आप किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में घुसेंगे, टाइम लगता है, कंसिस्टेंसी लगती है, लर्निंग लगती है,
Patience.
नॉलेज लगती है, पेशेंस लगती है।
बिल्कुल।
अगर उस एस्पेक्ट से आ रहे हैं तो पैसा बनेगा, आपका सब कुछ आएगा, फेम भी आएगा, पैसा भी आएगा और एक्नॉलेजमेंट आएगी, सब कुछ आएगा।
Hmm.
और इस पे भी 2 अलग-अलग स्ट्रीम्स हैं हमारे, खासकर सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग में। एक है इफ यू जॉइन अ डेवलपर एंड इफ यू द अदर वन इज़ ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू वांट टू बिकम अ चैनल पार्टनर और इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन अ चैनल पार्टनर फर्म।
जी।
So if you both of them, learning is essential. If you are working with a developer, be true to your word. Okay? कोई चैनल पार्टनर आपके पास कोई कस्टमर को लेके आया है, स्टैंड बाय हिम, बी ट्रू टू योर कमिटमेंट। ओके, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि उसको आप मतलब कुछ और करें तो प्रॉब्लम है। मैं इतना ही कहता हूँ कि इफ़ यू स्टैंड बाय योर वर्ड, वो आपको चैनल पार्टनर छोड़ेगा नहीं। वो आपका पहला कस्टमर है। आपका दूसरा कस्टमर
Very true.
आपका एक्चुअल कस्टमर है।
Hmm.
लेकिन पहले आपको ब्रोकर को पकड़ के रखना है, चैनल पार्टनर को आपके साथ रखना है एज अ डेवलपर।
Hmm.
एंड इफ यू आर if you're working with a channel partner firm, there is no limit of earning money, uh, but at the same time you need to upskill every now and then. You need to actually choose what product you want to sell.
Yes.
Not every product is there for selling. So जो आपको प्रोडक्ट बेचना है, जो आपको कंपनी बेचनी है, उसकी आप क्रेडिबिलिटी को चेक कीजिए,
Hmm.
उसको आप देखिए, समझिए,
Hmm.
उससे आप अंडरस्टैंड कीजिए। आपकी क्रेडिबिलिटी उसके साथ जुड़ जाती है।
बिल्कुल।
सो आपके कंधों पे डबल भार है, अपना और उनका भी।
बिल्कुल।
सो दोनों का भार उठा के चलना है, सिर्फ एक बेच के बाहर नहीं निकलना है। लॉन्ग टर्म घुसिए एंड यू विल बी डेफिनेटली एक्सेलिंग इन दिस। इतना तो पक्का है कि आप अगर कंसिस्टेंट रहे तो 10 साल के बाद देयर इज नो लुकिंग बैक फ्रॉम रियल एस्टेट। दिस इज लाइक आई सेड द मदर एंड फादर ऑफ ऑल इंडस्ट्रीज।
Yeah, because you've made customers for life.
Yeah.
And they are going to get more customers for you.
True.
Very true. Thank you. Thank you so much. So
Thank
we
you.
are heartfully thankful to you
Thank
for
you,
giving
Jay.
your insights, your time, and your valuable inputs which you have shared today.
Thank you.
So from the entire Nareeb's team, we are very, very
It's
thankful.
an honor.
And shukriya dil se. Thank you so
It's an
much.
honor, please. Thank you very much. Thank you.
you.
Thank you.